Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing honeycash.com. But before I get into that, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's review honeycash.com. So as you can see right here, we have it pulled up here on their website. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just a website that will help you sign up and then get cash. So as you can see, it's simple as easy to signing up, earning from home, and then get paid and cash out. Now there are a lot of sites like these, and most of them tend to be scams. So if you're wondering if Honeycash is one of those, we have it actually pulled up here on Trustpilot as well, and see that they are rated at a disappointing number of 1.7 out of 5 stars, which is pretty bad. So let's see the reviews here. So where are the reviews? Right here. So this one says says payment pending, then it just disappears. Don't use, run, don't walk away. This horrendous app. Scam. Yes, this site is total bull. This website is total bull. Total BS. Have completed all the required guidelines. Should have been paid. And nothing. I was told I will receive $412. Yet to receive the money, scam, and the list goes on. So please do not sign up for this, since you might as well get scammed. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.